Hey everyone, welcome back to day 4 of the 10 days of tags. So today I'm not doing a Pinterest inspired tag. I'm just making a tag. I had played around with some index cards with the little window in them, and I thought I would do a tag that way. The only thing is I'm not going to put the acetate there. What I thought I would do for this tag is just make that for the background. I'll actually glue that to the back. And I thought I would either go ahead and put this smaller circle in here with a little butterfly, or just put the butterfly like so. So for the window. Now these little butterflies, they're really pretty. They're a nice purple. These were out of the Your Creative Studio box. So I don't remember what month, but that's where they are from. So what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to go ahead and get this back glued on here. Is what I'm going to do. So let's get that part done. All right. Okay, and what I want is just some of those words peeking through. All right, so we're going to grab the scissors. Okay, so then what I want to do is, and I probably should have done this before I put the backing on it, but it's okay. What I think I'll do is, I'm going to start just making a big collage on this. And if I had thought, I would have just collaged this, then poke the hole here. So what I will do is just start putting maybe a collage on this. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know how this exactly will come out, but we will just see. We can just kind of see how it will come out. Alright, we'll just let's see. I would like let's see, I think I'm going to go this way. So what I'm just trying to do is cover the tag in a complete collage. That's what I'm trying to do. Just cover the tag in a completed collage. Let's see, I think I'm just kind of using this paper this white paper to do that with. Okay, so then, yeah. Oh wait, maybe, yeah. I'll say maybe I wanted that on the other side, but that's all right. Okay. So there is going to kind of be. Now I am going to put a pocket on this particular tag. But here's what I was saying that I might do is just take and poke my hole. Okay. And then, oops, well, it'll be okay. I can do something with that up there. And anyway, just cut around my tag and the whole thing will be collage. That is kind of what I'm thinking. Let me get one more piece of something. There we go. Okay, and we'll kind of just put that there. And that'll kind of break up the music page a little bit as well, so. Alright, so I like that. And then this part here I'm not too worried about because I'm actually going to set a pocket in, so. Okay, so I'm going to get the tag all glued around. Okay. And let's just set the collage on there. There we go. And we're going to cut that tag down. Okay, and there's our collage tag. Now what I want to do is, I want to stitch around this. Stitch around this tag. Oops, so I look like I'm kind of, there we go. Yeah, I want to stitch around this tag. Let's see here. And this looks like I'm going to have to just cut a little off of each end. I want that centered, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark it with a pencil to cut it. And we will make a pocket tag there. So, okay, so I'm going to stitch around my circle. I'm going to stitch around my tag. I'm going to get that hole punched. And yeah, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. But we may just put it on this pocket when we do the pocket. Yeah. Okay, it'll end up being something like that. And I do have some fun lavender colored crinkled seam binding. So, alright, so I'm going to do that. And then we will come right back and get it put together. Okay, so we've got the tag all stitched around and it looks nice and pretty. So, what I am going to do next is I want to get this. Okay, so there we are. And I am just going to place that butterfly going that, oh, whoops. Okay, I want to pick it up a little bit, maybe if I can. Because I want to keep it in the circle. Okay, so there is our little butterfly in the circle. And let me get my pocket. Alright, so here's my pocket. I want to ink everything up before I get it. And I want to kind of get that where it's not so, there we go, not so manila, so clean. I wanted a little distressed. Okay, and we're gonna get the back kind of distressed up. This is just out of an old book, an old reader, like an old reader book. Okay, so I thought we would put maybe that right there. And we'll have that butterfly kind of go that way, and we'll just make it a little pocket. Maybe. I'm not so sure that I like the pocket idea yet. I'm thinking I'm liking just the tag and maybe put, I just don't like the way that looks, so I have changed my mind on that. So what I will need to do is just put something there in that little white space that I was actually going to cover up. Let's see here. We might just use a little number. We can cover it quite a bit up. And this we might just place right there. Yeah, I think I like that much better. And just leave it kind of a butterfly tag. I think I like that much better than the pocket tag. Okay. I'm thinking, yeah, I don't know what I'm thinking. If we did it kind of like that. Yeah, let's kind of shoot a different route here. Sometimes when you're working on tags, it's just not to your liking. So let's do this. Let's put a little bit of vintage lace. Okay, and I think I'm going to use, okay, we'll use a little bit of that. And you know, before I put the butterfly on, I think maybe I want to stitch even that there on. Let me make a couple of stitches. Okay, so I went ahead and did a little stitch here, and then I did a little decorative stitch kind of there, just to give it a little pop of something on that. Okay, yeah, I want it down just a little bit there. There we go. Okay, and then I think I'm going to double. I think I'm just going to double this to make a kind of a thick bow there. If it will work, we will see. Oh yeah, that will work. So I need to cut that. And we need to cut that. And we just kind of have a little bit of a double bow there. So anyway, there is our tag. I really like that. I love the purple. Purple just is beautiful. So I think I pulled out the buttons. I think I want to add a couple of buttons on here. I do believe. I think it would just add a little something to it. So yeah, I think it just needs a few buttons, vintage buttons there. I think that would be great. So let's go ahead and get them. Now, after I thought about it, I just thought I ought to pull out some buttons. There we are. All right. So we are going to definitely have to let these buttons dry now. But that will complete the tag. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.